Hey you guys, so I really hope you're having a great week and a great rest of the semester. It's really weird not going back to class or, doing anything and seeing all of you, but I'm really excited to make this video. We're making caramels today, so there's not a lot of steps, not a lot of ingredients, and it's really simple. Just like be careful making it because it gets really hot, and make sure that you have time to prep the ingredients, and make this delicious snack that you can have. I personally can't have them, so I was like a little sad to make them, but I was really excited because I really like making stuff like that. But I'll let you guys know. I'll taste test with my family and see what all we can get accomplished. And I really hope you guys enjoy the video, so I'll see you around. You're going to need 1 cup of granulated sugar. You're going to need half a cup of unsalted butter, which if you use the stick butter, it's just 1 stick. And we're going to use 3/4 cup of corn syrup. I used Karo because that's the kind that I know of. And then we have vanilla extract. And then we also have heavy whipping cream. And then we have our pan that we're going to set our caramels in after we heat them up and let them cool it in a pan over a saucepan. And you're going to put that over medium heat. So I'm going to turn that on. I'm going to turn it to medium. And then it says we're going to add the sugar. So I'm gonna put that in there. So we're just gonna go for it right here. Go for it. Sugar, the corn syrup, which I hate pouring corn syrup because it's kind of difficult to pour. So I just kind of cut it into little bitty squares just to make it easier. I didn't want to melt it because it didn't say to. And then we're just gonna add 1/4 cup of our heavy whipping cream into there. And then we're gonna let that come to a boil. The recipe calls that you stir this continuously while you bring it to a boil. That way nothing sticks to the bottom and you're not, Kristen, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know, just stir it continuously. As you guys can tell, this is a great day for me. I'm loving it so much. No, but I really like making these. I'm really excited to see how they turn out. Getting somewhere, it's starting to boil. And we're gonna let that boil up just a little bit more. But when it starts boiling, you're gonna add the rest of your heavy cream, which I'm pretty sure my math is right. So we added 1/4 cup at the beginning, so we're just gonna add the remainder, which is 3/4 cup. And then it says that while you do this, that you're gonna insert a candy thermometer, which looks like so. Thankfully, my mother has one. And we're just going to insert that, and we're gonna watch for it to enter the softball stage, which is around 240 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? And so the sugar syrup's gonna be transparent, and the boiling is going to be rapid. So right now I'm gonna stop stirring, and I'm gonna add in that heavy cream because that's a boil. I'm gonna add that in, and I'm gonna keep stirring. And then I'm gonna insert my candy. And we're boiling. Sorry, that was out of focus, but we're boiling. Hold on, thermometer actually, sorry, actually has it labeled where soft and hard balls are. So we just hit the mark, and you can notice a consistency change in our mix. So we're gonna remove the heat, and next we're gonna add some vanilla. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. I love vanilla. It just makes everything taste so good. And we're gonna stir that in really good. As you can tell, there was a really big consistency change and a color change as well in this. Now I will say, this is like really time consuming, so if you are gonna make caramel like this, make sure that you have like time set aside for it, and probably don't use a spoon like I did. It doesn't really tell you what to stir it with, which it probably would have been better to use something else because it got really, really hot on my hand while I was stirring. Grease pan, it calls for 8 by 8. Mine's like a 9 by 9, but you know, it would be okay. So you're just gonna pour that in there. Oh, yummy, it looks so good. My mom taught me a neat trick, and my uncle did because they both bake. Just kind of shake your pan to get rid of any excess bubbles before you use a toothpick, because sometimes this will just knock it right out. So I see a few, so I'm just gonna take a toothpick and go after that. Just kind of pop them lightly, just kind of, that way it doesn't settle whenever it sets up. I'm not too worried if there's like a few little ones, because you know what, everything comes in its own shape and size,
and caramel's just another one of those, and caramel is good any way that it comes out, so not too worried. But yeah, so looks pretty good. There's one right there, I got it. I'm gonna take this off the side actually because I don't want it in there. But yeah, so there's our dish of the caramel mix, and now we're gonna let it set. Now you gotta let it set overnight so that it sets up.